Hey there! If you're trying to trim your voice memos on your iPhone to cut out those unnecessary bits or to highlight the important parts of your recordings, you've come to the right place. The Voice Memos app makes it super easy to edit your audio, and I'm here to walk you through the steps. Let's dive into how you can trim those memos like a pro. To trim a voice memo, just follow these easy steps. First, open the Voice Memos app on your iPhone. Next, locate the voice memo that you want to trim and select it. Then tap on the three dots icon next to the memo. After that, choose Edit Recording from the menu that appears. Now tap the Trim button, which looks like a pair of scissors located in the upper right corner. You'll see a waveform of your recording pop up. Use the yellow handles to adjust the start and end points for the section you want to keep. Once you've selected the portion you'd like to retain, go ahead and tap Trim. A prompt will show up asking for your confirmation. Tap Save to apply those changes. By following these steps, you can effortlessly trim your voice memos on your iPhone to keep only the parts you want. If this guide was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.